Welcome back. I hope you're as excited as I am to dive into our second lesson on color psychology. Today, we're going to lay the foundation by exploring the basics of color theory. Understanding these fundamentals will help us appreciate why colors have such powerful effects on our emotions and behaviors. Let's start with a simple question. What are your favorite colors, and why do you think you're drawn to them? Take a moment to think about it. It's fascinating how personal and subjective color preferences can be, yet they are all rooted in some universal principles that we're about to explore. First off, let's talk about the color wheel. Have you ever seen one? It's a circular diagram that organizes colors in a way that shows the relationships between them. The color wheel is divided into three primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. These are the fundamental colors that can't be created by mixing other colors. Every other color you see is a combination of these three. From these primary colors, we get secondary colors: green from blue and yellow, orange from red and yellow, and purple from red and blue. Mixing primary and secondary colors gives us tertiary colors, creating a full spectrum. Imagine how an artist blends colors on their palette to create just the right shade. It's all about understanding these relationships. Now let's think about how these colors interact. Have you ever noticed how certain color combinations are more pleasing than others? This brings us to the concept of color harmony. Colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, like blue and orange, are called complementary colors. They create a strong contrast and make each other stand out. On the other hand, analogous colors, which are next to each other on the wheel, like blue and green, blend well together and create a more unified, serene look. Here's a fun exercise. Look around your room and identify different color combinations. Do you see any complementary or analogous colors? How do they make you feel? This simple observation can give you a glimpse into how color harmony works in everyday life. Another important aspect of color theory is understanding warm and cool colors. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow tend to evoke feelings of warmth and excitement. They can energize a space and create a sense of coziness. Cool colors like blue, green, and purple, on the other hand, are calming and soothing. They can make a space feel more relaxed and tranquil. Have you ever noticed how different rooms in your house might use warm or cool colors to create different moods? It's all about using color to influence our emotional response. Color contrast is another key element. High contrast combinations like black and white are very striking and can be used to draw attention. Lower contrast combinations, like different shades of the same color, create a more subtle, cohesive look. Think about a time when you saw a striking piece of art or a particularly effective advertisement. Chances are the use of contrast played a big role in catching your eye. As we wrap up today's lesson, consider how these basics of color theory can be applied in various aspects of life. Whether you're designing a website, choosing an outfit, or redecorating your home, understanding the relationships between colors and their emotional impact can help you make more informed and effective choices. So what color combinations have you noticed around you today? Do you have any favorite examples of color harmony or contrast that you'd like to share? I'm eager to hear your observations and thoughts as we continue our journey into the world of color psychology. In our next lesson, we'll dive deeper into the historical perspectives on color and explore how different cultures have used and understood colors over time. Until then, keep observing the colors around you and think about how they make you feel. See you next time.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.